What it do? Back again, coming through. Who that is? That ain't nobody but Sumi Sue, about to do this very natural hairdo. So if you're interested, stick around and keep on watching. Boo, boo.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I have another unit for you guys, and this one is more so for the girl that wants to do a little leave out, a little bit more natural. You're maybe tired of the lace and you want to do like a sew-in without the sew-in. This is going to be the unit for you. Okay, today's hair is by HerGivenHair, and this company specializes in mimicking natural hair. Now this company is fairly new to me. I feel like this is probably my third unit for them, but I do love this company because they have the most superb curls and mimicking of our natural hair, whether it just be a wash and go to a full-blown blowout. This is a blowout style, and she is extremely kinky. She is really beautiful. She's on that yucky side, but a little bit more yucky. There's a lot more texture in this hair. It's very, very full and lustrous. Now the hair does come straight, so I went ahead and I curled the hair because I wanted to do something different with it. And you can totally wear this in the middle, but I decided to do a side part. That is my hair left out right there, and it's just a little bit of hair, so you don't have to do a lot with this because the way they have the V cut, it is a V cut. Remember when I was doing U-part wigs, honey? Anyways. So it is a V cut, but the way they have it constructed, you don't have to leave out a lot of your hair at all. It's going to take just the least amount of hair to actually cover what's going on here. I really do love this. This is going to be great for, you just don't want that lace look. You just do not want that lace look. You want that very natural look. You don't want anybody to clock your lace. This is going to be the unit for you, and you don't have to do much to your hair. Now my hair is 100% natural, and all I used was my wand to just like, because I wand the hair, all I did was use my wand. I didn't straighten my roots. I didn't do any of that. I did put a little bit of edge control in there just to touch up the edges a little bit. The hair is absolutely amazing. Y'all already know if it's not good hair, it doesn't make it on hair. And y'all already know that I do have a very, very soft spot in my heart for anything yucky texture, because our hair is beautiful. And if they're gonna make a wig that's gonna mimic our hair, I am all hair for 100%. It is very full, and I really do like that. Let me tell you the specs. Hello. Okay, so it's called Bye Bye Leave Out V Wig, and it is a kinky blowout, hence the blowout effect that I'm seeing here. It is a natural color. The cap that I have on is a medium, so you can get these customized to fit your head. They do have measurements on the website, so you can go on there and look and see exactly which unit is going to fit you. And this is 18 inches, so it might look like 16 to 14, but it is 18 inches because I did curl it up. I don't want to stretch it too much, but as you can tell, it's quite long. Like I said, this hair was really full and very, very va-va-voom, baby. Okay, this unit is beautiful. So I think I've been talking for enough. The hair speaks for itself, and y'all already know if it's not good hair, it doesn't make it on hair. So let's just get right on into the styling of the video.
Baby girl, you're so fine. I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex. Dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl. The only thing I need when I'm down, lift me up with your company. There's no telling what you and me creating. We're on the same wavelength. Feel the beat tonight, something good inside. Set you free, let you lose all track of time. Come on, have a conversation. Don't treat me like a stranger. You give me motivation, make my life vacation. When we are together, I surrender. Give you all my money, make you look so lovely, never feeling lonely. Baby girl, you're so fine, I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex. Dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Yeah, you're a blessing, reminiscing of the time when I found myself guessing. Feel the beat tonight, something good inside. Set you free, let you lose all track of time. Come on, have a conversation. Don't treat me like a stranger. You give me motivation, make my life vacation. When we are together, I surrender. Give you all my money, make you look so lovely, never feeling lonely. Baby girl, you're so fine, I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah, ooh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex, dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl, nah nah, ooh girl, nah nah.
Yeah, so that's basically all that I did. All I did was put some wand curls in there, and because there's no lace, there's nothing, like all you have to do is figure out which side you're gonna leave your part on. You don't even need to put like any edge control in this because the hair mimics our hair to a T. You can definitely just leave that blowout look. You definitely want to stretch your hair a little bit if you're on the 4C side or whatever. They do have different textures on the website, so you can definitely find something on there that is going to be suitable for you. I really do like this unit. I think it is so pretty. It does come with a little string that you have to cut, and in my opinion, the way that they did this, you don't even need to cut that little string. If you know, because some people like that really full look. So if you're not into, you know, having to leave out your hair, if you know what you're doing, you don't have to leave out your hair. This particular style is a unit that you want to leave out a little bit of your hair. You don't have to if you know what you're doing, but if you want that really pristine, clean look, you're definitely gonna want to, you know, cover a little bit of that track. And I definitely pushed it behind my hairline. The Jamaican is coming out. I definitely pushed it up behind my hairline so I can leave out some of the edges and stuff. I didn't do anything on this side because, you know, the hair is falling this way, so all I did was mold this side right here. This was super easy, y'all. After I was done with my makeup and stuff like that, this was really easy to just throw on and go. There's really not a lot to say on this. It is so beginner friendly. You can wear it, girl. You can wear it and you can make it look natural. You ain't gotta worry about certain things if you know what you're doing, okay? Wigs will protect your hair if you're just getting into units. And why are we wearing these units, especially us black women? My hair is healthiest it has ever been, and it's because of wearing wigs. I don't do much to my hair. There's no blowing, there's no heat, there's no nothing. Like, just put on a good unit and go, okay? But if you're looking for that very natural look, this is definitely going to be the way to go. I don't have anything to, I think it speaks for itself. I think it's just beautiful, and it really is just, it's going to be a good buy. Like, if you're into natural hair, you definitely want to have this in your arsenal. This is beautiful. I can't even stop looking at it. If you see me looking down, I'm looking at my viewfinder because it's right in front of me. I really like this. This is beautiful, y'all. This is pretty. Make sure you check out HerGivenHair. All the information for this unit will be down in the description box. Listen, if it is your first time here, go ahead and subscribe, join the tribe, come on in. We are a happy bunch. We like to keep it nice and clean and classy in here. Follow me on all of my social media platforms, TikTok, IG. I'm gonna get back into the makeup, y'all. I promise y'all, I'm gonna be doing the makeup videos and I'm gonna be putting them on there. Whatever I'm forgetting to say will be down in the description box, because you know me, once I get to talking, I'll be rambling and not really paying attention. What am I supposed to be saying to y'all about this hair? But honey, this hair is beautiful. And having a little bit of leave out, they won't even know if it's yours or not, honey. And you better not tell them no different. You better not tell them no different. Say, yes, it is mine because it is yours. You paid for it. Okay. Anyways, until the next video, take care of yourself, and I will see you guys really soon on the next one.